Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create an embossed logo effect. Let's emboss a logo using layer styles. Import your logo on a solid background. Now right click and choose blending options. Active bevel and emboss with emboss style, and also adjust depth and size for raised edges, and add an inner shadow for soft internal shading. Use a neutral light gray highlight for realism. Active stain to refine the surface textures. Decrease fill opacity slightly to reveal shadows, and add a subtle drop shadow for realism. Your logo will now look printed or curved in. Duplicate the layer for stronger embossing point.